Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Tribe Beauty Box. This is a bi-monthly subscription box. I'm super excited to see what I got in here. If you guys want to know what I got in my, well, I usually say box, but this is not a box, so I guess I would say my bag. Then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, super excited to show you guys what I got in this bag. But before I get into the bag, let me just tell you a little bit about Tribe Beauty Box. This box retails for $39.99. You get 5 full-size indie items in this bag. The bag is usually worth over $120. And I feel like you can have something to look forward to because since it's not every single month, it's every other month. So I have something to look forward to. And not like some subscription boxes is every single month. This one you gotta wait a little bit, so the anticipation is a little bit more higher. This is also a female, the box, or not really box, a bag, since they don't come in boxes. They only send female-owned makeup brands, which is kind of cool. They're all about woman empowerment, so that's kind of cool. And yeah, that's really about it. It's right to the point, and we're gonna get into the bag and see what we got in here. I'm super excited because I have no clue what's in here, like at all. The bag seems kind of big, so let's see. What is this contraption? Ooh, Luxie brushes. I get a lot of Luxie brushes from my Ipsy subscription, so loving. I love the Luxie brushes. I like that the bag is purple. Pink's my favorite color, but I could settle for purple. That's like my second best choice. So I'm here for the bag that they put the brushes in. Let's see the brushes that they gave. Oh, this is cute. I mean, this ain't my color porte, but I got 4 brushes, right? And I also got like a baby beauty blender. How cute is this? This is cute. I mean, I wish, you know, the brushes were purple. Like, I don't get why this is seafoam green and this is purple. But beggars can't be choosers, right? So I want to say some of my subscribers asked that I subscribe to Tribe Beauty Box because, you know, lately, your girl, I don't like to complain. I'm not one to complain, but I haven't been happy with a lot of the subscriptions that I normally get. BoxyCharm in particular, that's just one of them. But I canceled a lot of my subscription boxes. The last couple of months, like BoxyCharm, I used to have all 3 memberships, Base Box, Premium, and Luxe, but the boxes have become so skincare heavy, and it's like, it became more like you got like one makeup piece. Sometimes you don't even get any makeup in the box, and it's just like, now, lately, they give a lot of indie stuff, and BoxyCharm didn't start off as an indie subscription. Like, a lot of stuff that I get from my Ipsy, which I know Ipsy is like it's predominantly indie subscription box, but that's what I knew I was signing up for. BoxyCharm was more like name brand makeup subscription box, but it totally did a 180. We're not getting the name brand items anymore. They're giving a lot of stuff from Ipsy in BoxyCharm now. The prices went up. It's just a whole bunch of... I don't even want to get into it with this subscription box. But yeah, so that's why I decided I'm going to try a whole bunch of different new makeup subscription unboxings. I started the Ice Cream Beauty Box and Tribe Beauty Box. And so far I've been happy because it's not like skincare heavy. So far I'm happy with my first item. The rest of the items was in this little contraption in here. So let's see what else is in here. Now you do sometimes get a skincare piece, but it's still predominantly more makeup, which is why I subscribe to this box. So we do get a card that tells you what you get in here. So this is the card that tells you your items that you got. Let's see. You do get to pick one item. I believe I picked this palette. There was like 2 palette choices, I want to say, and I chose this one. So let's see what I got. So it was this one and the pink one, and I had the pink Illamasqua palette already. So I wanted to have something different, so I chose this one. This is what she looks like, which these are definitely like my colors. So super excited to try this out. This palette retails for $50. Wow. So this alone is like over the price of the value of the box that I just got. The brushes was a retail value of $42. So that alone also outweighed the price of the box. So you definitely get your bang with your buck. Your bang for your buck with your subscription. Some subscriptions, it's like you just go flat even with what you paid, almost like a little bit more, $20 more, but this one already outweighed what I paid. I got the Wonder Beauty Mile High Volume and Length Mascara, which I've tried this with Ipsy, and I love this mascara. Let me open the box so you can see what it looks like. This is what the mascara looks like. It's a really nice mascara. I love it. Love, love, love this mascara. So super excited to have this. This mascara retails for $34. Wow, this is pricey. I didn't know it was so pricey. Thank God I always get it in my subscription boxes. The next thing I got in here is, I get so many of these. So many. This is from Daily Concept. I want to say I've gotten this in maybe like GLOSSYBOX or Allure, Ipsy. This is a mini scrubber for your face. This is a gentle one. So I got that, which is, I guess it could fall under skincare. And then I got some foil mask in here, which I am all about masks. You get 2, what is this, eye? No, this is eye. We got lip and we got face. Oh, these are gold masks too. Very nice, very nice. Oh, this is like, it's a gold mask, but it's like leopard print, which is kind of cool. And these are like the eye and lip mask, which I love. So I would say everything here I loved and I would use. That's it. There's nothing else left in here, by the way. I loved everything. I absolutely loved everything. This subscription box is not like cheap, like some of them. Other makeup subscription boxes are like the $25 zone. This one's a little bit more, but it is every other month, so it's not that hurting your pockets too much. It's every other month. I'm happy with everything I got. It's an indie subscription, so you're not gonna really see like the name brand stuff like in Sephora, but you know, I knew what I was signing up for when I signed up for this subscription, so I knew it was like more indie products. And I love it. I love everything. There's nothing here that I would not use. So today's subscription would get, I would give it a 9 out of 10. This I'm not too fond of, but it's just because I have so many. It's just my personal opinion. If somebody didn't have this already, they probably would be happy to have it. But I get so much of those in my subscription boxes. So, but rather than that, it would have been a 10. And I'm happy for everything I got. Does any of you guys subscribe to Tribe Beauty? Let me know in the comments down what you guys thought of this subscription for this month. And that's really about it. I'm trying to think, should I do my Sephora haul next? Or I bought the Sephora advent calendar. I wasn't gonna get it, but I was like, I'm up for a good laugh. It's never like what I anticipated it's gonna be, but it was like on sale, on top of a sale. So I was like, you know what, I'll get it. And I'm excited to open that up on the channel for you guys. Anyway, I didn't do that many advent calendars unboxings this season. I've just been so busy, but next year, hopefully I'll have more time to do more for you guys. Thank you guys for being so patient with me. With my channel, I uploaded the most I could this month with me being busy with the holiday season, but you guys are always great and patient with me, so thank you guys so much. If you love my channel and you love my content, please do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, and become a part of my YouTube family, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.